I got something special. I got a double banger here today. But actually, I'm going to go over one, and then we're going to do another video. So stay tuned. I'm going to compare two neck to neck and see what's up. See if we can find anything different. And that's another video. But today, I got this Jordan 4 Union, my favorite silhouette 4 in front of me. I just did a video on another one. I got two pairs of these. So let's get into it, all right? So box reads 10.5 Air Jordan 4 SP off Nior / LT Fusion Red, retail $250. All right, so check this out. There's the box. It's a beautiful box. All right, but we didn't come in for the box. So you got your standard numbers on the side right there. Got your standard Jordan, well, not standard, but this is dope. Like they took pictures and put it on the paper here to where it shows them like winning the championship. It's very, very iconic because the 4 was my favorite. First silhouette of all time in 1989. I say that, you know, I have my fire red 4s. That's what started it all for me. So I'm so happy to be able to have options, like so many options behind me to where I'm blessed and I'm thankful for that. I appreciate it. But let's jump into this right here, all right? So jumping into these Jordan 4s right here, guys. These are a Union collab. Union is a store in LA. They collab. They got the Union. I got the Union 1s. They did the 4s. They did some other silhouettes. But this is the 4 that recently dropped, and it was a pretty good release for the most part. I think they did a good job with the bot protection. So beyond that, it was a pretty good release. A lot of people ate. So here's the right one. It's got like a, let me look at the outsole first. You got that standard outsole that's on all your Union 4s, and you got the yellow, like mustard, like hand painted, almost midsole, rotating around. You got that beautiful, look at that bumper right there. Boom, that Nike Air. Love that OG look. Got these mustard laces at 2 sets, the black ones and the mustard orange ones, I call them. Got that clear translucent. There's so many ways you can lace this shoe. That's why they did that. When Tinker Hatfield designed this, he did that so you can lace them so many different ways. That stitching is spot on, guys. Make sure you follow my Instagram at BLit Reviews and hit me up if you have any questions. You want to chop it up, just message me, DM me, and I'll get back at you. But these are freaking lit right here, man. These are lit. Now this tongue, guys, since I got 2 pairs of the black ones and I got 2 pairs of the blue ones, I believe I got another one coming. I got so many shoes, I gotta get I gotta open these boxes. But back to this one, you can cut this tongue and you pop it open, guys, and you got the standard flight that's on the Jordan 4s underneath it. It's really dope. I'm gonna do that on one of the videos. I'm gonna cut one of these and knock the other one side by side and see what people think about it, and so forth and so on. There's your left one. Here's your right one. Now, I love these hang tags, right? I love the hang tags that come. I like the OG ones too, like back in the day on the 4s I first had. Like I said, the Fire Reds in 1989. You got Union on the hang tag. You can barely see it right there. And then you got Union UNLA right here underneath the clear translucent. All right, like I said, I'm going to cut one of these tags right there. You got your shoe tray on the inside, size 10.5, my size. And the materials are really good on this, man. If you don't have a pair of these, guys, right now could be the time you could get them. Like I said, it just depends. I don't know how many pairs are out there, but these are fire, man. These are fire. I'm glad to have them in the collection. I'm going to throw them on feet. We rock our kicks here, man. We rock them. We don't stock them. So, yeah, these are going straight to the toe. I'm going to have one cut and the other one not cut. So I'm going to have 2 pairs. I'm going to do another video. Stay tuned to that. And, guys, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe because I drop that fire content in super early looks. If you've been rocking with me, you know that. So, and it's all positive vibes over here about shoes and positive vibes, and we keep it moving. So, all right, guys, I appreciate you pulling up and checking this out. And yeah, man, these are fire, man. These are dope. So let's get some B-roll.